Hey guys, this is the best channel and today, I'll be ranting on the 4th worst YouTuber ever made. His name is RedGamer75. He sucks because he has Mario on his profile picture. He made a list of bad users and put me on there. He also put other good YouTubers like Liger13vids, John Jackson, #1 Xbox One fan, Mario the Plumber, Monkey Game Guides, and Super Swagsters. RedGamer75, if you're watching this, don't add the real cute fuzzy weasel, Crazy Games, or anti-RedGamer75. He also hates Call of Duty. He did a commentary on an awesome rant on him. He made 454 accounts to subscribe to himself. After I told him he did that, he told his friends. Nobody believes me, but I'll give you the link to my source in the description. He also has different opinions than me. He likes Nintendo and Minecraft. The only good thing about him is that he likes Grand Theft Auto. Thanks for watching and post nice comments. And RedGamer75, if you're watching this, you're a shitload of fuck.